Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Autodraw. This is the Autodraw fast drawing for everyone, the AI that can guess what you are trying to draw. So this is the Autodraw, is new kind of drawing tool, so you can explore your drawing and creating fun. So let's start here. Let's start over. I want to draw this triangle shape, and here we go. The AI will guess your draw. Maybe you want to draw mountain, some bricks, a tent. Here you can undo if you don't satisfy with that, so you can recolor. Here, I want to draw a circle shape, and the AI will guess by the moon, or like a perfect moon, I guess, or even a pizza here that you can try. Here, let's start with the moon, the black moon. Undo, and you can try to use the select button to adjust the size. Here you can paint, fill with the yellow color, for example this one, and let's try again to draw something like this. I want to draw a pyramid here. Sorry, I want to recolor with the purple. It should be like this. Reposition here, and let's draw again. Something like this, and reposition again, and now my drawing is done, I think. So you can create your own draw, more beautiful, more creative than me. So try to explore yourself with autodraw.com. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.